The hen that lays golden eggs. Once upon a time there were a couple of farmers who, one day, discovered a solid golden egg in one of the nests where the chickens raised. The couple observed that the hen produced such a prodigy day after day, obtaining a golden egg every day. Reflecting on what caused the hen to have that ability, they suspected that she possessed gold within her. To check it and get all the gold at once, they killed the hen and opened it, discovering to their surprise that inside the produced hen it was the same as the others, and they also realized that with her ambition they had ended what had been enriching them.